Today, we will take a look at some common myths about electric vehicles. Number 1. Electric vehicles take too long to charge. One of the most common concern that pops up for people considering the shift to the electric vehicles is that its charging take hours. This myth can be true to some extent because refueling a tank of a gasoline vehicle takes much less time as compared to charging an electric vehicle. Most electric vehicles take 5 to 6 hours to be charged completely. They had to be charged overnight. Introduction to the superchargers reduced the charging time of the vehicle to 10 times. Superchargers give you a full charge in 30 to 60 minutes. That's about as long as having a lunch at a pit stop. So, this myth cannot be said to be totally true. Number 2. EVs have low speed and low power. The most common assumption which people have among the EVs is that they have low speed and low power. The assumption is totally false. The speed and the power of the electric vehicle depends on the motor used in it. Generally in India, most electric vehicles use low watt rating motors to reduce its cost. Increasing the power of the motor will thus increase the speed and the power of the vehicle. For example, the ultraviolet F77 electric motorcycle can deliver a top speed of 147 km per hour and a max power of up to 33.5 bhp, which equals to 550 cc, and the acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. That's massive, isn't it? Number 3. EVs do not have enough range. Currently, most electric cars give a range of 200 to 250 kilometers, and electric bikes and scooters gives a range of 100 to 150 kilometers. So, EVs are better for short distances but not for long distances. But the government and the EV manufacturers are investing a lot in research and development to increase the range of the vehicles and develop charging infrastructure across the country. This will make longer trips more convenient. Number 4. Electric vehicles are uneconomical. Most electric vehicles in the current market are generally expensive. But this is changing quickly, especially in India, where the costs are being brought down through subsidies and EVs are being made more accessible. Moreover, when we take a look at the driving cost of the electric vehicle, it's 1/3 less as compared to the gasoline vehicle. Maintenance costs are also lower since EVs have few moving parts, more efficient cooling systems and no oil, etc. This is a huge advantage for an electric vehicle owner. So in the upcoming years, electric vehicles will be much more cheaper than the fuel vehicles. Number 5. EVs are fire hazard. This can be held true for every vehicle on the planet, but you will be surprised to hear that the gasoline powered vehicles are 10 times more likely to catch fire than the current EVs present. So, electric vehicles are much more safer as compared to the gasoline vehicles. Electric vehicle batteries do not catch fire in normal conditions, just like the mobile batteries. Batteries explode only in some extreme conditions. Number 6. EV batteries are expensive and they have to be replaced frequently. It is true that EV batteries are expensive. Batteries comprises almost 50% cost of the vehicle, but lithium ion battery costs are dramatically reducing and India is gearing towards serious investment in high performance batteries. Current EV batteries, for example, have a 90% capacity after driving almost 3 lakh kilometers. An average Indian driver does not even come close to this distance. And those who do, these batteries often give a warranty of 8 years. That's much enough.